To remove the needle bar from a Consew 206 RB, first thing you want to do, loosen these two screws, take this set screw all the way out, loosen the screw in here, loosen this screw, take this piece off, take this piece out, pound this piece back a little bit. Probably a good idea to mark it first. Take this off of here. Loosen the two set screws for the hook assembly. 1, 2. Take off this screw and take this piece off. The hook assembly will now slide off. Loosen this screw right here that holds a needle bar in. Now you can slide the needle bar out.